This hunting video is brought to you by Brewing Beast. Go get your merch in the link below. This is the crazy story of the rat nest buck. Let's get into it. It's about 5 p.m. on November 26th. It's the night hunt, and my dad starts rattling and gunning, trying to get some action going. Eight minutes later, we start rattling and grunting again, hoping to disturb something and get it out of its bed 10 minutes before light. All of a sudden, we see a monster buck pop out at 5:15 p.m. It's the first year of the day, and I'm ready to shoot. This clip can show you the buck is in the top left corner. At first, he just shakes his antlers. He's hiding behind a tree, so I can't get the shot off. He takes a step off, and I'm able to get the shot. Here's a closer view of this angle. I knew I had a good shot, but I reloaded again just in case. I was impressed by the size of this buck. He ran back into the thicket, and not soon later, we heard him fall. We thought I had a good shot, seeing the way he reacted, but you never know what can happen. It happened in a matter of 4 minutes after the rattling. It was insane. We haven't seen anything all night, but here he comes, this big buck. We were in a thick grassy thicket. We weren't able to find any blood, but we knew the general direction he went. Not soon later, we saw him lay. His antlers were filled with weeds, getting the name the rat's nest buck.
Buck. That thing is massive.
We cleared off these weeds and we started to pull them out, looking and admiring the size of these antlers.
Oh my God. Where's the bullet hole?
We were confused on where the bullet went. It had no exit wound. I had shot it on the other side and I got a double lung. Never punctured the other side. After we drug it out, we got some nice videos of the big body and a perfect rack. Got some more pictures and had an awesome night gutting him and cleaning him out. Thanks for watching the story of the rat's nest buck. If you want to find out more info about a company or more YouTube videos, hit that like and subscribe the button.